Hello, in front of me I have Zepp Z watch, and I'm gonna show you how to customize the app menu on this device. First, let's open the app menu on our watch. To do it, first we need to press the middle button to wake up the screen on our watch, then press the middle button to open the app menu. And here we have it. Basically, app menu is a list of applications on our watch. And we can customize this menu. To do it, we need to open the Zepp application on the phone that is paired with our watch. Let me close this up again and reopen it again. Okay, and once you open the application, you should see the home page. Now tap on the profile icon, select the Zepp Z watch from the list of devices, and here find the option called App List Management. Tap on it, and here we have the list of apps. And we can do a couple of things. For example, we can hide the item so it won't be visible on the app list. To do it, simply press and hold the sorting button next to the item you want to hide. So for example, schedule. Then drag it to the bottom, basically to the hidden item list. And once you do, it should disappear from the list of menu, or rather from the app menu, my bad. So let's tap on save. Open the app menu, and as you can see, it's gone. Okay. Another thing we can do is to add the items. So if there is an item on the hidden list, you can basically add it by grabbing the item by pressing and holding the sorting button, and then dragging it to the list above like this and tapping save. And when you open the app menu again, it should be right here at the bottom. And one more thing you can do is basically change the order of the apps on the list. So let's say I want to move schedule to the top. So I'm gonna press and hold on the sorting button next to schedule, and then drag it to the top of the list and release it. Oh, my bad, let's try again. Like this, and then tap save. And once I open the app menu again, the events will be at the top, as you can see. And that's how you customize the app menu on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.